Stop scrolling right now. If you are still paying $30 a month for Runway Gen-3 or waiting endlessly for Sora, you are literally setting your money on fire because Kling AI is finally here. And today I'm going to show you a secret backdoor method to get unlimited access to it completely for free. But before we dive in, a major warning. There is one small catch with this trick. If you miss it, you might think the tool is broken. I will reveal that secret step later in the video, so watch closely. First, let me show you where 99% of people fail. If you go to Google and grab any random email from a generic temp mail website like SupDrop or M3 Player, watch what happens. See that? Blocked instantly. Kling AI knows these are fake, so you will never get the verification code. To make this actually work, go to the link in the description or open the app from the Play Store. Do not use the default email. You need to click on the change button at the top. Now, ignore all the top domains. You need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. Keep scrolling until you find this specific one. At nm.edu.pl, select this one. Here is the logic. Since this looks like an educational domain, Kling AI thinks you are a real student. Paste it in and boom, the verification code arrives instantly. While I enter this code, I have a challenge for you. Is there another expensive AI tool you want me to crack next? Drop its name in the comments, and I will try to find a loophole for that one too. And there we go. Account created, free credits added. Now, about that warning I mentioned earlier, when you hit generate, you will likely see a message saying you are in a queue with a 15 to 20 minute wait time. Do not panic. This is completely normal. Since we are using a free account, and the whole world is trying to abuse this tool right now, the traffic is insane. You just need a little patience. The video is not failing. It just takes time to deliver that high-quality result. This loophole might get patched any second, so stop watching and go use it right now. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, because who knows, my next video might be the unlimited hack for your favorite AI tool. Welcome to the club.